Music Editing Master is an efficient audio editing software for home users. It provides powerful and user-friendly editing environment which suits beginners especially. If you want to edit music visually and non-destructively, record audio visually, apply cool effects and filters, convert audio formats within all popular. This tutorial will guide you how to change voice while recording in Music Editing Master with Voice Changer software Diamond. Step 1. Prepare your new voice with Voice Changer software Diamond. In main panel of Voice Changer software Diamond, choose the morphing effects for your voice and make adjustments until you are satisfied with the output voice. Step 2. Adjust audio setting of Music Editing Master. Open Music Editing Master. Go to Tools Audio Recorder to open Record window. In the Record window, choose Options, Input Device. In Device choose Microphone, AV Soft Virtual Audio. Then click Close to apply the setting. You could start to record with the new voice. You could click on icon Amplify + to increase or decrease the volume.